Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If you've stopped by because you're curious what comes in the June 2022 American Influencer Beauty Bundle, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so for those who follow me, thank you. For those who are new, feel free to subscribe while you're here. If you were wondering why I didn't do a beauty bundle unboxing in the month of May, well, it was a repeat brand. It was Perlice, and I got this subscription last year, and they already did one. And I'm sure the products weren't identical. I just have so much skincare. I decided to pass. And heads up, you can't skip them. So what happened is they canceled, and then I had to re-up. But I prepaid. I don't know. It was a bunch of emails going back and forth. All right, enough rambling. Let's see who the curator of this box is. Oh, I forgot to mention, in case anyone's new, AIA Beauty Bundle is a monthly beauty subscription where each month, I want to say it price went up. It's like $34.95 now. I don't know, something will be on screen. And each month is curated, or the box is all products from a particular brand or an influencer who curates the box. One time it was a mix of products, but typically it's all one brand. And this month, that brand is Lurella, which I find interesting because AIA is a beauty subscription. Lurella, they have their own beauty subscription. I'm fairly certain. Or they have mystery boxes. I don't know. I've done a haul and or mystery box subscription, something from this brand before. If I can find the video, I will link it in the eye above. Alright, spoiler alert, I won't look at that card anymore. Let's dive in and see what the first product is. Alright, so we got a pair of scissors. Normally it's like, well, do I? But I can always use some scissors. I'm not going to take them out of the bag just yet. They are hefty. I mean, definitely nice metal quality. All right. Also, along the same lines, I don't know if it's a pair. There is what appear to be kind of some tweezers, but not to pluck hairs. This looks like to apply false eyelashes, which, if and when the time comes, these will come in handy because I'm sure my fat, stubby fingers are going to make me struggle. All right, let's see if those were bundled, what the little card has to say. No, so the scissors really retail for, oh, I thought it said $18. I guess it says $8. That makes more sense. And it's pictured as gold, but black's my favorite color, so I'm happy to not have gotten the gold and gotten black. These Lash applicator tweezers are retail for $7, so very reasonable. All right, next item. What do we have here? It's very light. Are you a sponge? No, not a sponge. It's some sort of silicone or not. What is this? I'm going to stop speculating. It's squishy. It feels like there's foam inside. This is silicone. I don't know what this is for. Hold on, let me read the card. Okay, so I was on to something. This is a facial exfoliator, and it retails for $5. It feels and looks like something you might get at the dollar store or off of Amazon. All right, I'm into where the product exfoliates and not an apparatus, but that's just me. I'm lazy. Give me your AHA, BHAs, and or sugar scrubby bits. And my hands are the tool of choice. Just rub, rub, rub. All right, TMI. I know. Sorry. Next item. Something in bubble wrap. Are you gonna? Oh, and it's also sealed. It says Bougie. And it's, what is it? A highlighter, I'm assuming? Made in the PCR. Yes. Big letters. Didn't need my friend. Right there. It says highlighter. All right, let's see if you're going to be a shade I can wear and enjoy. All right, might as well take these for a spin and help me get into this packaging. Here is the packaging, and the shade is called Bougie. And that's what Bougie looks like. Before I swatch this, I own a highlighter from Lurella. Let me grab it and make sure it's not the same shade. Okay, it's not. I own the shade Starling, and this here is the shade Bougie. Let me do a swatch. That's what she looks like. And I don't know if I'll pick up on camera. In real life, it's beautiful. It looks more kind of peachy pink slightly. But beautiful, and you can always use it for your brow bone or your eyes. All right, let's see what this retails for. That is very reasonably priced. It's $12. All right, next item. What do we have here? Little makeup bag, and it feels like it has some brushes. Does it? Some? That's a lot. That comes with 10 brushes. There are 4 what I would consider face brushes and 6 eyeshadow brushes. I'm not going to undo all of them, but I just took off this kind of contour blush brush. It's very soft, not super dense, not extremely flimsy, but it will be nice to give this one a try. So let's see what this retails for. All right, so the brush set with the 10 brushes and the bag retails for $30. All right, next item. All right, so we got some false eyelashes. These are very what I'd call dramatic. Hey, to each their own. I don't wear false eyelashes. I do want to give it a whirl, but I'm fairly certain this would not be the pair for me. I don't know. They look beautiful, but just a little too much. I'll set these aside for a future giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, I just surpassed 900. That only took way too long. But I am going to announce in this video my 900 subscriber giveaway. So make sure you're subscribed, like this video, leave a comment, and put an eye emoji. Does such a thing exist? A winking eye. Something. Don't say enter me, just put like a winking eye, and I will enter you in my 900 plus subscriber giveaway. The eyelashes retail for $6. All right, next item. I'm fairly certain this is some sort of a lip product. It's in the shade Sweet Pea, which you look right up my alley. I'm gonna grab the card here. This is a liquid lipstick. It retails for $10. Let me take it out of the... They do a nice job of packaging. There's saran wrap on most of these items. What I find annoying is when you're filming a video, it takes longer. Un momento. That took way longer than you would like to know. All right, so there it is. It's, I don't know if it's separated or just traveling. Let's give her a little shake. All right, let's do a swatch. Oh, I wish I hadn't swatched. It's a little darker than what I would normally wear. However, with a nice frosty lip gloss on top, I think I can make it work. All right. Oh, I forgot to smell this. Does this have a scent? No. Okay. Not chemically, but not sweet, not fruity. It smells like makeup, if you know what I mean. All right. What does that retail for? Oh, yeah. $10. All right. Next item. What do we have here? By the way, there's a lot of stuff in here, but the price point is less than other brands where you usually get like 5, but like something in there is $42 plus. Everything here has been $10 or less. All right, so this is, oh, how nice. It's the Everlasting Eyelash Glue. That's kind, because often these boxes assume that if you get a pair of false eyelashes, you wear them and already have the glue. I do not. So I do now. That is exciting. All right, what does the glue cost? Is it on here separately? Glue, yes. $9? Wait, that seems a little pricey, but okay. Leave me a comment. Is that the norm for an eyelash glue? Okay, and then the last item is a palette, nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. Okay, it's the Voom palette. What colors are you gonna be? I'm stalling here because it's nicely plastic wrap, but oh well. If I don't like it and put it in a giveaway, just know plastic wrap came off. Alright, so I took the sleeve off. It's the same. Okay. It's wygowarrior friendly. Lots of pinks. A little more cooler toned. Lovely. It's got a lot of similar. These are very similar. And then the pinks and brown. I will definitely use and wear this palette. What does it retail for? Okay, so there are 18 pans and it retails for $26. That is very reasonable. All right, let's recap everything that came in the June 2022 box. Got some false eyelashes. We got some false eyelash glue. Got a facial exfoliating tool. We got a false eyelash applicator. Got a pair of scissors. A brush set with a makeup bag. A highlighter. And an 18 pan eyeshadow palette. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, meh. Did I get my $35 worth? Compared to BoxyCharm, I don't know. There was quantity, but I don't know about quality. I would say yes, I will use just about everything. Is on the wow factor scale, not so much. You know, if I find a palette a little boring, it's pretty boring. I'm sure I will use it. Glue, thank you, but it's for eyelashes, which probably won't wear. Again, a tool to apply the eyelashes I probably won't wear. Not my favorite color or shade of liquid lipstick. And to be honest, I'm not a big fan of liquid lipsticks. Give me a lip gloss and a bullet lipstick. I'm lazy. This is really cheap. This facial exfoliator, just not my jam. Highlighter, will always love, use, and enjoy. Brushes, yes, thank you. And an eyeshadow palette. So, definitely, I got my money's worth. Is it the most spectacular box in the world, in my opinion? I'm going to say no. And again, Lurella, I'm going to link something or put something on the screen. They have their own boxes. So I find it interesting that one beauty subscription box partnered with another beauty subscription. Although Lurella does have its own brand, but they do have boxes. I don't know. I just found that very interesting. Leave me your thoughts, comments down below. A, have you ever heard of Lurella? Have you ever made a purchase or got one of their mystery boxes or subscription boxes? B, what do you think about AIA Beauty putting in Lurella, who has their own box in their box? I just find that interesting. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. All right, thanks everyone.